My peeps, the old saying, you get what you give. Never more fucking true than right fucking now. If your fucking fat ass is laying on the couch playing fucking video games, what the fuck do you think you're gonna get? You're gonna get fucking squat. If you're waking up at fucking noon because you're too fucking lazy to get up and find something productive to do, what do you think you're gonna get? Fucking nothing. If you want, you've got to give. If you want, you've got to fucking bleed. If you want, you've got to fucking sweat. And if you want, you've got to make the fucking sacrifices it takes to fucking get what it is you really fucking want. You get what you give. If you fucking give it up, you're gonna fucking get back what you fucking gave up. And if you truly fucking give it up day after day, you're gonna continue to get back what you give. If you want something that's fucking worth a damn, you better fucking realize it's time to start fucking giving it up. Make the fucking sacrifices. Earn what you're gonna fucking get. Sweat, get it. Sacrifice, get it. Bleed, get it. You've got to fucking come to grips with the fact that this is what it fucking takes. That's right. If you think you're gonna sit on your fucking fat ass and wait for what you want to drop on your fucking doorstep, you're off your fucking rocker. Now is the time. The time is now. The time is every fucking day. The time is every fucking moment of every day. You earn that fucking time on the couch. You earn the things that you get in return for your fucking sweat. You earn what you fucking truly want in this life. Nothing is fucking given. Nothing is given for free. Free is an illusion. Currency is sweat. Currency is time. Currency is consistency. Currency is the shit that you don't want to fucking do, but you fucking do it anyway. That right there is what it's all about. You get what you fucking give. And if you're willing to fucking give it up when you don't fucking want to, I'm not talking once in a while. I'm talking every fucking day. You're gonna get what you want. It's that fucking simple, my peeps. So grab your fucking sack, pull it up nice and fucking tight, take a fucking deep breath, stand the fuck up, and do something that you don't want to fucking do. Because that is the fucking first step. You get what you give. It's that fucking simple, my peeps. Rock and roll.